I look around and everyone I see, the pinnacle of guts and resiliency.
Yes, threats are nothing new to us. It takes monumental strength and trust.
We got lost and disconnected, distracted, undefended. Uhura, you saved us.
More singing, more voices.
Hail the Klingons, Uhura!
Why have you...
Why you only calling us when you got your dramas? One of these days we'll repay you, we'll slay you. Gonna draw your last breath at the end of our glance. Your eternal torture is every Klingon dream. You know what I mean?